especially dangerous type of thunderstorm called a supercell was organizing over the plains of New Mexico. Supercells contain a deep and persistent rotating or spiraling updraft called a mesocyclone. As the sun began to set, storm chasers anticipating wild colors raced to get back out in front of the storm. Mother Nature appeared to be cooking up something special. In rare conditions, a rotating updraft can be wind sculpted with multiple saucer-like structures resembling a hovering craft from another world, or what storm chasers call a mothership. With the visually stunning storm quickly approaching, chasers scouted for places to document the spectacle without power lines and without other chasers.